In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create GCP free tier account. So for that, simply go to Google and type GCP free tier. Under Get Started on Google Cloud, there is a sign up for free. Click on that. And next we need to click on Get Started for free. Here we need to select the country where we are living. So select your country. Next, we need to select what best describes your organization or needs. So select the other and check the terms of services and click on continue. Next, we need to create a payment profile. So for that, I'm going to click on create a payment profile. And here we need to select the account type. As you can see, there are two options, individual and business. So I'm going to select individual, and here I want to fill the name and address. So fill your name and address. So I have filled my name, address, and city, and my postal code, as well as my phone number. Now I want to click on continue. So here we need to provide the name, registration number, like password, the carrier and phone number, and then we need to send the code. So next thing, we have to configure the payment method. As you can see, it's asking us the card number. So you have to fill your card number. Now, as you can see, we have successfully created GCP free tier account. So if I go to navigation menu and if I go to bottom, more products, there is a billing. If I click on that, you will see under credits, I have about $300 and I have about 90 days remaining. So that's all about it for this video. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next videos.